Hi guys, today we will talk about how to shop with points on your Amazon app shopping. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Amazon app. So you just go down here, you click here on down, and it's going to take you to next window here. So you just waiting to open with you this window here or show for you like this. You click here on account, then it's going to take you to next window here and you just go down here and you come here to so you just keep going here and you come here to shop with points, so we'll click here and it's going to take you to next window and you click here on this enroll on your rewards account. You will click and it's going to take you here, and here you can choose here a bank or so you choose here your others accounts here and you add email like this. You just click and add here name on card and card number, and here you choose that and you click here on add your card, and it's going to add with you on your Amazon on your Amazon shopping app. Thank you for your watching.